To add a part family member to an assembly, you select the Add command as normal, then select the template part to add. Once you click OK, the Choose Family Member dialog displays. The Family Attributes list contains the attributes you use to define the part family, and options below allow you to set criteria for a search. Near the bottom of the dialog is a list of matching members that match the criteria. I haven't set any criteria, so all the members display here. If you know which member you need, you can simply select it and click OK. If there are a lot of members or you don't know the one you need based on its name, select an attribute and the criteria box populates with its name and 2 equal characters. This is a conditional operator that searches for the expression named PIN_DIA that is equal to a value you define. You can do that by entering the text box and pressing Enter, or selecting from the Valid Values box below. The matching members list then updates according to the match. I'll click Clear All Criteria and select a different attribute. Other operators are available, and they are ones commonly used in programming. You can find the complete list in this document. For example, I'll backspace the equals and type greater than 0.75 and press Enter. This yields 3 matches, and the criteria displays in the first list at the top of the dialog. I'll select another setting PIN_NUM to 4, and 1 member matches the 2 criteria. I'll select the member and click OK to complete the operation. The template part previews and you define its location as normal.